Happy birthday, Nay. Wish you all the best in life. Nanay ko, mabait. Ay, iiyak ako. Matulungin. Kahit pag galit na yan, bibihirang mamalo sa amin. More birthday to comes. I love you. Inside this feeling.
Happy birthday, Dad. I hope you have many more years and a long life. And I hope that you get to meet my twins. I love you. Happy birthday, Auntie and Dad.
It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life.
Happy birthday, Nay. Apong boy, happy birthday po. Magpagaling po kayo, magpalakas po kayo para makita niyo po yung mga apo din po ninyo.
It's a beautiful life.
Marami pong salamat po sa lahat-lahat ng inyong ibinigay niyo po sa akin sa pagsuporta sa araw-araw. Marami pong salamat sa lahat-lahat.
Happy birthday ng ate and Apo Boy. Sana humaba pang buhay nyo. Love you both. Sana sa birthday nyong ito, lalo kayong lumakas. Thank you.
Si Uncle Boy, mabait siya, sobra. Tsaka lahat pantay-pantay sa kanya, mga pamangkin niya. Si Nana naman, dahil nasa US siya, so nag-video call na lang kami, natatawa kami kasi matanda na siya. Naalala niya kaming tawagan. Happy birthday! Bapa, Nana, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Nanay and Bapa!
And it's all for me and you. The little things, the memories, we're glowing in the view. It's all for me and you, this beautiful life.
Crescencia, ayokong tawagin sa kanang Kang Atay. Crescencia, mas pretty. I pray for God's love and protection for you, Kang Atay. I know, andito lahat ng mga anak mo, they prepare this for you because they love you so much. Happy birthday.
Hello, Nay. Binabati ko po kayo ng maligayang kaarawan na may you have many more birthdays to come and long life. Regarding naman kay Uncle Boy, so sana humaba pa rin po ang buhay nyo na para po magkakasama pa rin kayong tatlong magkakapatid.
Happy birthday, Pedro and Crescencia!
Take a picture in my mind, don't forget the memory of a foreign and a place for you and I.
So Uncle Boy, your kindness, humility, and joyful spirit continue to bring light to our family. May the years ahead be filled with good health, peace, and many more blessings. Nay, your life is a living testimony of strength, faith, and unconditional love. We are all so blessed to have been nurtured by your wisdom and inspired by your resilience. God bless us all, and once again, happy birthday, Nanay. Happy birthday, Uncle Boy.